So g'day and welcome back to the joys of coin collecting. My name is Boomardy and in today's video we have some new coins. But first we are looking at stamps. So we have stamps from 1991. All of these are unstamped, means you're not supposed to reuse them, but it's just a way of cancelling them. This is for join us in a victory job. So 50th anniversary of war, women in wartime services, $9.91, 43 cents. So they took the 1 and 2 cent coin out of circulation in 1992. So these would have been rounded up to 45 cents. And as you can see, we've got Christmas stamps, 55 cents. So these are probably from a later period. Just generic, but they're actually quite nice. And basically, I have no idea what's in this. So it's probably could be one lot, two lots. Okay, so we've got Ireland and we have Samoa. So these are probably all just going to be basic normal circulating coins. Not too sure on the grades, but this seller always packages stuff like this. So I have no problem with the packaging. But okay, so the coins themselves, they look like just hard to take out. So normal standard coins. What we have is, I dropped all my footprints coins everywhere. Okay, we have the first $1. So the currency of Samoa is $1 equals 100 sene, just like $1 equals 100 cents. So it's just as the coat of arms, which has the shield with the Southern Cross and the plant on the top, and wheat going around. And here we have the head of state at the time. And this says Samoa Isi Sifu. So later on, they changed the name just to Samoa. So that's just Samoa. This just means Western Samoa. So if you don't know the country, there's Samoa and there's American Samoa, and this is 2005. So these ones no longer in circulation. They have issued a smaller $1 coin. They issued smaller coins in 2011. So it's been 14 years since they changed the coins. But these big ones are actually quite nice. This is probably equivalent to about 45 Australian cents. At one time it was equivalent to $1. And this one has, looks like a cylinder. That could be a drum. I need to look that up. But we have the large. Okay, so I need to take them out. So these are the two largest coins in circulation. We have the 1 and 2 tala. If you go to Samoan O, these are the coins you're going to use. So this is scalloped and this is 7-sided. So, and they have the head of state of Samoa on the coins, and all, I believe these are all frozen dates, so they would have been minted over the last couple of years. Okay, then we have 50 cent coins. So I got it for this one, which I don't have, and if this is a commemorative coin. So this is the 25 years of independence, and the only ones I've seen are actually pretty damaged. So this is a 1987, and there is no vintage figures, but I don't see too many of these for sale. And the ones in uncirculated grade, they seem to go for probably about $50 to $100 that I've seen. Although whether they sell, I don't know. And the normal coins that just have the banana plant on it is the average circulating, and these ones are fairly damaged. So we have 96 2002, and these ones were replaced in 2011, but the last year's 2010. So there is no vintage figures for these ones as well, but it's just a nice big coin. Unlike the New Zealand coins, they have milling all around instead of the interrupted milling. So that's those coins. With okay, so then we got the Irish coins. So get rid of those. We're going to Ireland. Yes, we're going to have a nice cup of Oh, glad tea at the island. So, the Irish coinage, they issued two types of coinage under the, after they got independence, they issued a pre-decimal and the decimal coinage in the pound series, and they also issued their own euro coins. So, the smallest denomination was the half penny. I was going to say 50 pence, but that was the second highest. So they issued two different versions. We have one just saying Ireland, so Ira, and one saying Irish Free State from 1928 to roughly about 39. Okay, so this one's pretty much uncirculated. It's a bronze coin, and most of these are into the millions. For 1953, there was a mintage of 2.4 million, so not a high mintage, but just enough to satisfy the coin collecting market. In this condition, probably worth about $5. It has a pig and 4 cells. Is that 5 cells? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. God, I can't count. And then we have the 1942 penny. This one has a cock and 4 hens. Okay, we don't have the missing hen on that one. So this was issued from 1940 to 1968. And 1942, the highest mintage ever of 17,520,000. So that is a high mint coin. And they minted that many because pretty much World War II. Whatever reason did they need to mint so many coins? Seems that in war periods, there's a lot of coins minted. Just checking the highest mintage was 1968 with 21 million, only because they needed to mint those coins over 69, 70 and 71 or have them in circulation. So that's, this one's probably not even worth $5. Then we have the smaller coins, so we don't have the shilling or the half crown, but we have the earlier threepence. So this is made out of nickel, and when did they change it over to copper nickel? Okay, they only made the 1 and 2 shillings out of 75% silver to 1942, and then they pretty much stopped issuing silver coins. Nickel to 1935, and anything after that date is a copper nickel coin. So once again, we just have the harp, which is the emblem of Ireland. They call it Clear Search Gaelic harp. To me, it just looks like any old harp, just with a different patination. So 1928 is the first year of issue, 1.5 million, and the rest of the nickel coins all have a lower mintage. So 1.5 million. Not really too much, but just enough. So probably about $5 to $10 for that coin. Then we have the copper nickel. You can tell it's copper nickel by the way it's toning. You can see nickel is pretty much silver. It tones. It's very hard to tone in. You need a longer period of time. So this one, 1942 to 69, they issued this coin, or they minted. 1960, shouldn't be too high or too low. 2,020,000. It's not really a high mint coin. So in this condition, probably about $5. And wow, that's quite I like the design on that harp. And here we have a Irish wolfhound. So that is, and they're not milled. Okay, then the largest coin that I have in this lot is a florin. So this has salmon. I think it's salmon anyway. Don't know. I think it's a horrible fish to eat. Okay, Irish harp. Yes, salmon. And reeded. So the 1 and 2 shilling were reeded. This one's 1951. This is supposedly demonetised in 1994. So this is a mintage of 1 million. So not a high mintage for that coin. And this one's probably EF. So I would say at least $5 for that. Maybe even 10. Don't know. I don't really sell many Irish coins individually. I usually like to sell them as bulk lots. But obviously this one would have been in circulation for quite a long period of time, and it's probably equivalent to about $3 to $4 now in purchasing power, or probably about €2. So that is basically those two coins. Anyway, then we got the decimal coins from 1971. Although the 5 and 10 pence we issued in 1979. Okay, nothing really special with that. All you're looking for in these coins is just if any of them are errors. So here we had the 5 pence as the bull, the same as the shilling. This one's 1976. So check if that one is the key there. 1971, first year, so nothing really special there. 20 pence, first issued 1986. First minted 1985, but it's a pretty hard coin to get. This is the design they took off the florin. So I can't remember the bird, but anyway, it's a 50 pence coin. They didn't reduce the size of their coins like the UK did. So 1970. And then we had the £1, first issued 1990. And it has a Irish elk. 1990, yeah, first year of issue, that would be huge. So nothing really special there unless it's an error. So we're just looking for the mintages of these 3 coins. See if these are anything special. I don't think the 20 pence will be anything special. Okay, so there's nothing special with that. It's 20 million of these, roughly 20 million of those. And this one being first year of issue, there is 9 million of these 50 pence coins minted. So you're looking for 1971, really 600,000, and all the other dates. 1986, 3,250. That should be the key date in the Holy Grail of the UK coins. And that's about it. So 71 and key date is 1986. So I hope this helps you with your coin collecting. So that's basically what I do to look for coins. Now, will I get my money back from these? Probably not. I don't always buy coins, resell them. I purchase them for this one, and just to upgrade any of my pre-decimals. See, this one looks pretty good, so I might keep that one and swap it out with the coin I already have. But anyway, the rest will probably go on the market. I'll probably just get my money back, but we'll just see. Anyway, thank you very much. Have an awesome coin banknote collecting time, and don't do drugs.